Hey you guys, long time no see. I've been so extremely busy, but I appreciate you guys so much. You guys just come out in full force. When we have a sale, you guys are with it. Guess I should say who I am. Hey, this is Petra from Christopher Anthony's Premium Raw Virgin Hair. Just want to come say hi. Want to showcase my Indonesian. This was Indonesian curly, but I kind of fried it by bleaching it, so steamed all the curls out. With the raw hair, when you get a curly pattern that's other than a natural curl, they do a steam curl. So if you bleach it, like really bleach it like I was, the hair was smoking in the foil, so I knew it was gonna be a problem. But even though I fried the hair, it is still luscious. It's thick and full. This is 2 bundles and a frontal, and it's still lovely. You know, usually you fry your hair and it feels dry and brittle, but no, just put a little bit of serum on it, and then I just put some big curls in there to just give it some body. But yeah, I am enjoying it. So just want to come to you guys because I think we posted the video of me doing like a bleach dip method with this hair, so I wanted you guys to see how the hair ended up. So yeah, I'm loving it. I trimmed it up, try to get a little bob. It's so full, so natural. If you want extensions that feel like more of a natural texture for you, these strands, the Indonesian hair, the strands are a little thicker, so the hair holds a curl really well. Like I can go to sleep on this hair and I'm good to go in the morning. Still will have some body. It's so thick, and like I said, it's so luscious, you guys. So if you've ever been interested in trying the Indonesian hair, check us out at Christopher Anthony's Premium Raw Virgin Hair.com. We have a sale actually going right now. You get, I think, 20% off your total order, and that's a pretty good deal. So check us out, ping us, ask any questions, email us. We have an amazing support team, and we're always here to serve you. So thank you guys so much once again for always supporting us, for always coming and checking out our sales and giving us great feedback. I've always asked you guys, what do you think of the site? And you guys really give me good feedback. So love you guys so much, and we will talk to you soon. There's Big Daddy over there. We're on the way to San Francisco to visit some friends just for a weekend. So yeah, we'll try to take some pictures of our airport experience, see if the flights have picked up, if there are more people at the airport now. But thank you guys again so much for all of your support. Ping us, email us, call. Any questions or concerns about hair, if you've never tried raw hair before, just let us know and we'll, talk to you about it. And again, we have a lot of tutorials on the site. We have a YouTube channel, so you can see me washing hair. You can see me bleaching this hair that I currently have in now. You can see how nice the curls were before I steam them back out. But hey, it still feels great. It's nice and full, and I'm good. Thank you guys again. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Love you. Bye.